How to quickly make $500 using Swagbucks. Yes, there are genuine ways you can make $500 quick. One of the newest and most straightforward techniques for making $500 plus is through Swagbucks. Firstly, Swagbucks has been commended by Forbes, the Wall Street Journal, and more for being a fast and effective method for making money. Swagbucks is a free loyalty and rewards program that pays you cash compensation for completing various internet-based jobs from your computer or phone. For instance, I was recently paid $200 for signing up for Uber Eats and completing just one delivery. Similarly, this means you can make cash in your extra time and without leaving the comfort of your home. This video will talk about how Swagbucks works and how you can join and make $500 today. So, what is Swagbucks? Swagbucks is a free rewards application that pays clients cash for online mini jobs, like taking internet-based reviews, watching videos, browsing through the web, and utilizing coupons. And that's just the beginning. You could even get paid to shop online when you are guaranteed free cashback discounts. Sounds good, but what's the catch? There's no catch at all. Swagbucks gets paid by advertising partners and market research partners. In other words, when you take a paid survey about XYZ, the organization XYZ pays Swagbucks. Then Swagbucks shares a piece of its earning with its members. It's generally around 50%, but it can be higher. That is how Swagbucks works with coupons, videos, shopping discounts, and other web-based activities. Visit a partner store that has more than 10,000 retailers, like Macy's.com. Macy's pays Swagbucks a commission on what you spend, and Swagbucks shares a portion with you. That is your money-back discount. Simply ensure you visit the retailer from the link on Swagbucks Macy's coupon page. The thought is Swagbucks rewards you for things you already do on the web, like shopping online and sharing your opinions. To further support the validity of this method, Forbes, Wall Street Journal, Fox, and the New York Times have all commended Swagbucks as a clever and effective method for making money from home. Who uses Swagbucks? Swagbucks has north of 2 million members who are all earning money on swagbucks.com or with the Swagbucks application in iTunes or Google Play. How to make $500 fast on Swagbucks today. On the off chance that you haven't previously joined Swagbucks, that is the first thing you should do. It ought to take you something like 60 seconds to make a free account on swagbucks.com. Or you can download the application. Also, I highly recommend using the link in the description so that you get a bonus when signing up. While the welcome tutorials can be annoying, they will assist you in making more cash. Watching every one of them is encouraged, because these videos will jumpstart your money-making journey on Swagbucks. Before I discuss the specific method, consider liking and subscribing to show your support and get more modern money-making methods. Making your first $500 on Swagbucks today. There are various ways of bringing in cash on Swagbucks, such as watching videos or taking surveys. But when it comes to hitting a major figure like $500, you'll need to make a beeline for the Swagbucks Discover page. On the menu, select Discover, and then select Discover Home. Or on the other hand, you can go directly to this link. The link will also be in the description. swagbucks.com/discover. Then investigate the top offers. Many offers have high rewards or payoffs. This is especially valid for bank offers or fintech offers. For instance, you can make $120 from Vero only for opening a free record, connecting a current bank account and depositing $25. Complete the best offers like Vero until you reach 500. You can track down these offers on the Swagbucks Discover page. If you don't see the offer icon in the offer feeds, search for that offer by typing it into the search bar. Here's what some recent offers look like. Remember that accessible offers and reward sums are constantly changing. A deal that pays $30 today could pay $50 1 month from now, and the reward increase amount won't be changed. When partners pay Swagbucks more, Swagbucks has the funds to pay you more. Likewise, a deal that is here today may only remain for a few weeks. The length of time the offer remains relies upon the partner's budget or participation needs. For example, offer XYZ may just have a budget for 5,000 new signups from Swagbucks. When that 5,000 is reached, Swagbucks will take down offer XYZ. Is this method too good to be true? The short answer is no. The cash that you will get paid comes from big companies who simply want more email subscribers, consumers, or survey respondents. And for certain offers like games, the partners bring in their cash through advertisements. They want more users to try their games and view the advertisements. Also, they hope that a few clients, on the off chance that they like the game enough, will make in-game purchases and invite their friends to play. Also, when a deal is finished, it could require a couple of days until the cash hits your account. So don't stress in the event that the cash doesn't hit your account right away. Here's an example of how I made easy money on Swagbucks. One of the offers I recently participated in involved Uber Eats. All I needed to do was sign up for Uber Eats and make one delivery, and get a $200 bonus just for that one delivery. This offer isn't available right now, but other better offers are plentiful on Swagbucks. How soon can I get $500 from Swagbucks? Alright, suppose you have funds in your Swagbucks account now, and you wish to pull out your cash. If you requested the funds today, you could have them several days from now, which is better than waiting 2 weeks for a work paycheck. Here is a quick breakdown of the process. Go to your Swagbucks account settings. Select Redeem Your SP. Keep in mind that it's 100 SP to $1. SB means Swagbucks. Select the reward you want in the Swag store. Reward choices incorporate digital currency, Bitcoin, PayPal, Amazon gift vouchers, prepaid Visa cards, or pick a gift voucher from another famous retailer. For gift vouchers, you'll be messaged a gift voucher code for you to redeem your selected reward within 1 to 3 days. For PayPal, you'll get a request confirmation email immediately. PayPal rewards are typically subsidized to your PayPal account within 2 to 3 days. In conclusion, here is a fast and easy method of making $500+ using Swagbucks. If you learned anything from this video, then like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Remember, new money-making videos weekly.